Bonjour à tous.
Hello everyone, this is Michael from Alice's Garden. If your hot tub is displaying an E1 error, this suggests there is a filtration problem. We've developed a kit to fix this for you. I'm going to show you now how to install it. Ready? Let's go! Now that you've followed these steps, your hot tub should now be working again. If the problem continues, or you encounter any other problems with your spa, please contact us directly through our website, alicesgarden.co.uk. We'll be happy to help. See you soon at Alice's Garden.